Hello, welcome to Tasty African Dishes. I am going to show you how to make cinnamon roll dough. Here are my ingredients. This is flour, melted butter, 1 egg, caster sugar, dry yeast, and milk. I am going to combine all these ingredients in milk. I am now going to knead my dough. I'm going to add a little oil and then let it rest for 1 hour 10 minutes. And just like that, my brown filling is ready. This is the dough after 1 hour 10 minutes. I am going to knead this dough into a rectangular shape. And here is my brown filling, so I'm going to apply the filling on the dough. I am now going to roll it. Here is my greased baking tin. I am going to cut my cinnamon rolls and place them here. Here are my cinnamon rolls. I am going to let them set for 30 minutes before I bake them. Now I want to egg wash my cinnamon rolls and then I bake them. This is the end product after baking for 35 minutes. As you can see, this is how it looks like. This is what I have. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so, and don't forget to give your thoughts down there in the comments. Thank you.